Hello guys, good morning. This is Senna Trades. I want to show you what I saw this week and how I caught the this gold 1 to 12 RR, that is 12 RR. So first and foremost, on the higher time frame, I saw this happening here. So this is kind of like a break of structure, higher high here. Okay, and we had this low here, so this was my protected low, and then market rally to the upside. As the characteristics of an uptrend is, the protected lows are always protected. Market would always have to break the protected highs. Markets have to break their swing high to continue the uptrend. So for the uptrend to be valid, the highs must be broken, but the lows must be protected. That is what happened here. So you see, I marked this area. I marked this area as my low because I knew that low cannot be broken, all right? And this area as my high. So this is one thing I saw. And number two, what I saw was when I went to the 3 hours time frame. Good. When I went to I think it's on 2 hours. When I went to the 2 hours time frame, good. What did I see? I saw this as my break of structure or market structure, as you guys will call it. But for me, this will be my MSS, all right? My immediate MSS because in the short term, you saw market was doing highs, low, high, low, all right? So market was like in the short term bearish move, a little small drop, and then market broke. So to me, I will use this as my MSS, something like that, right? As my MSS, okay. And then the market gave me this particular pullback, which is my inducement. Okay, so what did I do? I marked this area as my POI, and market tapped this area. So the moment market tapped this area, I knew the market was going to buy. All right, and my target was this particular area. I want that area to be cleared before I will now look at any other thing. So let's move on. So what did I see here? What I saw here is, I told you this is an area I was thinking the market would go and clear. All right. So when I came here, I saw this happening here. This was my break of structure. All right, to the upside. And for me, I used the body candle. All right, so let me draw it properly. So this is this is it. So I think I had a break of structure here. And then after I had this break of structure, yes, I had this inducement, okay. And the next POI that I could use was this POI. I think it was at a lower time frame. Yeah, it was on 30 minutes. I used the 30 minutes zone to take this trade, and then voila, market did 1:12 for me. But then this trade, I didn't analyze it on forex.com. Forex.com was not too clear for me, so I analyzed it on, I think, FXCM. Yes. So these are the two things I saw that made me took that trade. So you already understand where this entry was coming from. I won't go back to that area. This entry was coming from. I just showed you on forex.com. Right. So after seeing this entry, what did I see? I saw that markets did this. All right. So this is the last high market created. When market was coming down, I did this high, this low, this high, this low, and then boom to the downside. So I was expecting this high to be taken off. And what did market do? Market took off this high. And after market took off this high, I was expecting market to come down. But before market took off this high, it created this pullback, all right? This pullback. So this pullback was created. And then the first pullback before the break of structure. Or yes, is what we call the inducement, all right? There's another type of structure we use in trading. And the market came here, it tapped the zone, and then boom, to the upside. very clean and nice. You understand? So this is what I did on this particular trade, and I was able to amass 1 to 12 on this trade. So guys,